Hey guys, wanted to welcome you to the spring 2020 quarter at Humphreys University, and this class is called Critical Thinking and Writing. My name is John Clanton, and I will be your instructor. I looked at the roster. I know some of you already know me, so that's good. But if not, a little bit about myself. When I first started teaching about 12, 13, 14 years ago, I was known as a freeway flyer. That is, I taught one or two, sometimes up to three classes at several different colleges. I taught at Delta College, Cosumnes River College in Sacramento, MJC, and Humphreys and Modesto. And about 5 years ago, I got a full-time job at San Joaquin Delta College, so I stopped being a freeway flyer. But as of the last summer quarter, I came back to Humphreys. I taught report writing, grammar, more recently the Lit 101 course, and for this quarter I was asked to kind of pilot. It was supposed to be a hybrid class, this critical thinking and writing, but of course with the COVID-19 pandemic, everything is now online. As far as my teaching experience online, I've been teaching online classes for about 6 years, and I have to tell you, I've used Canvas, which is what all of the California community colleges use. I've used Etudes, Blackboard, A Desire to Learn, and this is my first time using Moodle, and I have to say it's probably the most confusing, but I'm probably just being biased. So there may be some glitches on my part at the beginning until I can get this thing all mastered, but just bear with me. But for now though, I did want to kind of show you how I'm going to set up the course. I was hoping that the recent announcements would show up, because I'll do at least one announcement a week. Maybe that's something that I have to consider, but when you click on the announcement, there'll just be kind of a welcome there. And sorry about the big picture of me. That's the best I can do. But picture of me, just kind of a welcome to the course. And how I usually like to run my online classes is I begin with a to-do list. So for this first week, it's sort of like a get to know you. I want you to review the syllabus, watch the Introduce Yourself icebreaker, which you're doing right now if you're watching this, participate in the Getting to Know You a discussion forum, and complete the Oxford Happiness Questionnaire, and participate in the Oxford Happiness Questionnaire forum. So I'm already seeing something, there's not a hyperlink there that I'm probably going to have to fix. So that's the announcements, and then so you can click on the syllabus. Kind of tells you what to expect in this class, the assignments, things like that. But you can see there's the breakdown. The discussion forums will be 20% of your grade. We'll do a rhetorical analysis of happy. By the way, I'm using a course theme. The theme of this particular class is going to be happiness, which I think is a kind of relevant topic these days, because I think because of this pandemic that we're all kind of going through right now, I think a lot of our priorities have changed. What kinds of things make us happy, right? Maybe what kinds of things used to make us happy, and what things will make us happy in the future. So we'll watch a documentary called Happy. Then we'll do a Rogerian arguments paper. That's one of the styles of argument writing that I will show you how to do. It'll be based off some chapters from a book called The Geography of Bliss. And then part of this class is we have to do a few things in the APA format. We'll do a literature review, and then the last term paper that you will write will be sort of like a research term paper, kind of an open topic, but it will be related to the course theme, happiness. And so all that stuff is down there. Okay. And so there's a syllabus. I got the Introduce Yourself icebreaker right there. That's just kind of like to get to know you, things like that. And let's see. There's the Oxford Happiness Questionnaire that I want you to take, since that's the theme of the course. And once you take this, then you will kind of talk about the results in the last questionnaire discussion forum. So that's basically it. So this week's going to be kind of light. I am looking into setting up some virtual office hours through Zoom. Since this class was supposed to meet on Thursdays at 6:15 to 9:45, perhaps I can maybe set up a time during that particular time. That way, if you had any questions and want some immediate feedback, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, that's about it. I hope you enjoy the class, and I look forward to seeing you online.